Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by making the classic base. Combine 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, and 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard to help emulsify, then stir in 1 clove minced garlic and 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano for herb flavor. Season the dressing with 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon fine salt. Add 1 teaspoon honey if you want a touch of sweetness, and balance the acidity. To emulsify, whisk vigorously for about 30 seconds until the oil and vinegar hold together, or pulse in a blender on low for 10 seconds for a creamier texture. Use a 3:1 oil to vinegar ratio as your starting template and always taste for acidity balance. Add more lemon or vinegar if it's flat. If the dressing is too sharp, dissolve 1/2 teaspoons sugar or add 1 tablespoon water to mellow it, or add extra lemon juice for brightness, adjusting by teaspoons. For variations, create a garlic-forward version with 2 cloves roasted garlic and 1 tablespoon chopped capers, or add 1 tablespoon chopped fresh basil and 1 tablespoon chopped parsley for herb intensity. Store the dressing in an airtight jar in the refrigerator up to 7 days, and always shake vigorously or whisk briefly before each use to re-emulsify. When chilled, bring the dressing to room temperature for about 15 minutes to allow oil to loosen, then pour.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.